Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make repost private on TikTok. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, TikTok right here doesn't have a feature to make individual repost private, but you can restrict their visibility by making your entire account private or deleting the repost. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead over to your profile and tap on repost right here. If you prefer your account or keeping your account public while removing specific items from a public view, you can just basically delete the repost. Alright, tap on it, tap on share, delete repost. Or if you want to save the videos or video links, well, save it to your own messenger. Copy the link or send it to your messenger. Okay? Now, the other option is making your account private. So this one limits your account and it ensures that only approved followers can view your profile, videos, and repost. Now, if you want that option, follow these simple steps. Tap on your profile, 3 horizontal lines right here at the very top, and then just tap on settings and privacy. Now, go to find private accounts right here under visibility. Just tap on it, and then toggle on private account. Okay, so essentially only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. There you have it. Those are the ways to make repost private on TikTok. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.